So my doctor called me. Yeah, nothing out of the ordinary. Well, he was my doctor. He's retired now. And he used to chat with me when I'd go in for a little bit, you know. And he knew that I was into Civil War reenacting. I even saw him at an event. And, I tell him I was doing my adventures with Mr. and Mrs. B, and then I was doing my railroad with Hiawathaland Rails. And we get to talk every once in a while. You know, I was a really good patient. I really was. A doctor is blessed to have a patient like I am. They really are. I guess not. Anyway, we got to know each other, and I ran into him one time. I was in town making videos, of course, and I was standing by the street corner. The light turned red, and this car pulls up, and all of a sudden it's, "Hey Tony, how you doing?" And it was my doctor. So really cool fellow. Anyway, he called me. He knows I'm into the trains, and he said, "Hey Tony, I have this train that I used to have when I was a kid. It's an old Lionel. Do you want it?" I said, "Heck yeah, I want that." So I just picked it up down at the railroad station. I have it sitting on the table. I haven't really taken anything out of the box yet. So I thought I'd show you what I have here. So this is the box. He handed it to me. I pulled up to the train station. He was already standing there, and he had this box in his hand. And I don't know, Taterland? And, you know, it says electric train on here now. But the box itself looks really old. Check that out. So, you know, being the historian I am, I have to look at everything. So, Taterland. Frozen French fried potatoes packed by Lamb Weston, Inc., Portland, Oregon. Okay, so I know my doctor likes French fries. That's pretty cool. Oh, 12 bags, £1.50 each. Anyway, let's get back to what's inside. So, if I open it up, let me move around to the other side. I can keep the flaps from flapping in. Let me move around to the other side. This is really cool. So I'm thinking he's a little younger than I am. So maybe this is the 70s or 60s, late 60s, early 70s maybe. I don't know. I'll have to see. But look at this. An investment in happiness. That's what a train is. That's what a train is. So, looks like in this box, there we go. In this box, he's got some track. And I do see the paper here. Okay, so it's just it's a round track. Let's see if I can, there we go. So it's a round track, shows you how to make the layout, put everything together. It's a transformer. Then it says table or platform, now it's showing an oval. So I don't know what we can make with this, but we're gonna have to see. Okay, caring for your equipment on the back. And let me see if it opens up or, yep, okay. Here we go. There's some important stuff there. How to connect the transformer to the track. Yeah, and you know what he said when he gave me the box? He says, "Now Tony, don't get electrocuted." So we'll have to keep that in mind, hey? How to operate the train. So that's 4 pages on that. That's kind of cool, huh? Then there's the track and the transformer. And it looks like he's got it disconnected, but I have to have 2 hands to get this out of here, I think. Okay, there's the transformer. I don't know, I'll have to look for some dates. And then there's some track in there. I think there's something else in there. Yeah, there is. I gotta get the track out of there. Okay, now I can see what this is. Your Lionel Guide to Fun and Action and Excitement. Oh, there's a microscope stuff. That explains him being a doctor, doesn't it? Look at that. Look at this. This guy was playing doctor when he was a kid. Check that out. Yeah. Okay, so this must be all the things that Lionel made then. Yeah. I had a slot car track when I was a kid. And how many had one of these, eh? Phonograph? Yep. I want to go back to this side one more time. What is this? Oh, chemicals. It's a Chemicraft Student Lab. There you go. This is what got my doctor into this. I'll bet. That's pretty cool. I should ask him if he wants this, though, back. Okay, so moving on. What else do we have here? This is how to do something. Remove glaze from drive wheels. Okay. Maintaining efficient pulling power. Is that one piece? Yeah, that's one piece. That's pretty cool. Okay, now we've got these trains. Let me get this box out of here. Okay. Lionel 027 gauge track. I don't know what's in there. I'll have to see what's in there. I don't know, he's got some kind of a Lionel bridge thing here. Okay, I'm going to take these out of the box. Okay, let's start with the caboose. And there's a box car here. Built 657 by Lionel. You see that there? Built 657 by Lionel. Maybe my doctor's older than I thought, hey? Yeah. Okay. We have a flat car. And we have a tender. He must have had these stored a long time. And then here's the engine. There you go. I don't know if I can read that. So yeah, I'm gonna have to just set this up and see if it works, and then think about cleaning it up, huh? There you go. I'm waiting for the furnace to shut down, then I'm gonna run this around the table.
Don't burn down the house.
I'm not gonna burn down the house.
Okay.
So, I was going to hook up this box car, but there's a part of the coupler that's missing on this end. So I'm going to have to search around and see what I can find on how to fix that. Anyway, I wanted to see what would do with these cars on here. So I guess it'd be best to plug it in, Tony. Okay, it's running.
Little boys never grow up.
I know. Isn't that cool?
Yes, it is. It's very cool.
Okay, so I've been playing with this, and there's a lever on the top of the engine for reverse and forward, but if I bump it to reverse, it stalls, and it's hard to get it back to go forward again. So now I've played with it several times and now it's ready to go forward again. Since I cleaned the wheels, it seems to move a lot faster. It is shiny. The light's not working, but that could be a burnt out bulb. So I move the lather back. No, see now it still wants to go forward, but it stalls. Yep, now there's nothing. So I'm not sure what's going on with this lever. Now it's going backwards. Now it wants to go forwards, but it's stalling. Nothing. So there must not be contact being made with that. See, it's stalled. Well, that went quick. So I still need some playing around to do with this. But it sure looks nice. So I'll probably bring it up to Todd's and let him look at this engine once. He's pretty good with these things. Then again, I don't even know if this will fit his tracks. That's another good question. I'll probably bring the whole thing with. Anyway, I'll catch you on my next one. God bless you all. And I'll see if I can figure this out or bring it up to Todd's and see if he can figure this out. And see if we can get the light working and have it move a little bit better and forward and reverse. And see if we can find that other coupler for this. Anyway, even if I used it for a display,